I'll be solving few numericals related to triangles. First, consider this figure. ABC is a triangle and this angle is 30 degrees, angle A is 40 degrees, this is 45 degrees, and we have to find this exterior angle X. Here we will be using the property of external angle. We know that in a triangle, this exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. So we will be using this fact while solving this numerical. Now consider this line AB. Now consider triangle ABC. ABC, triangle ABC. Exterior angle CBD, this angle CBD is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles, that is angle BAC plus angle ACB. Both these values are given. This is 40 degrees and this is 30. So what we get, that angle CBD is equal to 70 degrees. This angle is 70 degrees. Now again consider the triangle EBD. This triangle EBD. For this triangle, angle X is exterior angle. Exterior angle X is equal to again sum of two interior opposite angles, and we know these two angles, value of these two angles. This is equal to angle EBD plus angle BDE. EBD is 70 degrees, BDE is 45 degrees. So angle X comes out to be 115 degrees. Now let's solve this sum. In this question again we have to find the value of X and Y. Given this triangle, and this is exterior angle QTR. We can see from the figure QTR is a straight line. So if this is 80, we know that 80 and X, they form a linear pair, this angle and this angle. So this is equal to 180 degree, and from this equation we get X is equal to 180 minus 80, that is 100. So we know the value of X now. And to solve Y, we will consider the triangle PTR. Triangle PTR, this is exterior angle for this triangle. So exterior angle PRS is equal to angle X plus angle Y, two interior opposite angles. Now we know the value of X, which is 100, and PRS is also known, 110 plus Y. So on solving this we get Y is equal to 110 minus 100, which comes out to be 10 degrees. So X is 100 degrees and Y is 10 degrees.